Welcome, everyone. My name is Andy Anderson, and what I want to do is talk for a couple of minutes about what I consider to be 10 features inside of Dreamweaver 2015 that are actually pretty cool. Now, there are hundreds of features in this program. These are just 10 that I really do like. The 10 that you like be determined by your workflow. Let's go ahead and get started. My number 10 is Bootstrap. Now, Bootstrap is Dreamweaver sticking their toes in the water of responsive design. In other words, we'll make a site. We'll use Bootstrap to make the site. We will then, anytime we want to, be able to display it on tablets and smartphones, and it will respond to the device and change. Bootstrap. That's my number 10. My number 9, Device Preview. So you're working on a desktop system, and you've got all these screens and everything going on, and you want to see what it looks like on the tablet, or you want to see what it looks like on a smartphone. See that little QR code that I've got popped up on the lower right? If you snap that QR code with your smartphone or your tablet, it will automatically load the page and let you see it right on that device. My number 9 is Device Preview. And my number 8, Batch Export from PSDs. We can now take one single PSD, say a high res, and with the click of a button, export it into various other resolutions. Now that means you're doing a website, say for example, for a retinal display. So you want high-res images, but you also want the old 72 ppi images. One click of a button, you got them all. Number 8, batch export from PSDs. My number 7, the CSS design panel. Now CSS has been around for a long time, but they've redesigned the panel. We spend a lot of time in CSS. It gives us conformity to our sites. We have a whole new design panel to work with. That's my number 7. My number 6 is Live View Workflow. When you're working in Live View, Dreamweaver almost turns into a browser and allows you to try things out directly inside of Dreamweaver. My number 6, Live View. Number 5, incorporating Edge Animate. Now, Edge Animate is another program, but if you're a member of the cloud, you've got it. And you can do some really good responsive interactive designs in Edge Animate and then bring them into Dreamweaver. My number 5 is incorporating Edge Animate. Number 4, WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Dreamweaver is getting better and better and better with drag and drop capabilities to put together websites with a minimum knowledge of code. WYSIWYG editing. That's my number 4. My number 3 is the site panel. The site panel has been there like forever, I understand that. But it's the glue that holds everything together. It puts your site together for you. So my number 3 is the site panel. My number 2 is the WYSIWYG code connection. We are going to concentrate primarily on working WYSIWYG, but that does not mean that we are not going to stop now and then and take a look at the code that puts it all together. Dreamweaver gives you control. If you're new to web design, you stick really close to the WYSIWYG editor. If you're into code, you can go into the code area and work the code. You've got the best of both worlds inside Dreamweaver. My number 1, stability and speed. Let me ask you a question. What is the speed of creativity? I'll tell you what, in this lesson series, we're going to find out in Dreamweaver.